Here we have a 2019 Ford Transit Custom 280 Limited. Now with this vehicle you've got the 20-inch alloy wheels. These are the Motion R alloys, and how fantastic do they look. As you can probably tell by now, we have got various cosmetic modifications carried out by Motion R, including the wheels of course. We've also got the carbon exterior with the side skirts, front bumper extension. We've even got more carbon fibre in here too, with the light running across there, which looks fantastic. Taking a step back, there's a look at the front of the vehicle. This paintwork is called magnetic paintwork. It looks absolutely fantastic in contrast with the carbon fibre components. You've then got the colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles. Motion R driven by design badging. There's a closer look at your second 20-inch alloy wheel. Of course, the side skirts I mentioned before, all carbon fibre. Yet again, there's a close-up of those. Now, just to show you that the sliding door works, we'll open that up now. Really smooth opening there, and there's a look at the space inside. All ply lines, as you can see, to protect the body panels. You've got the bulkhead at the front there as well. Closing this up, taking a step back, here's a look at the side profile, and how great does that look. Coming to the rear, you've got the third 20-inch alloy wheel. Again, excellent condition. Spoiler at the top here, which really sets the back end off nicely. That's worth noting. We've also got front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle with a visual display inside. And again, more carbon fibre at the rear, on the rear diffuser, with the black tip exhaust one on either side there as well. And again, both rear doors work completely perfectly as you'd expect. We've got the clips here which we can unlock if we want to put the, I'll show you as an example, we can take that out, there we go, and we can open them up fully like so, should you need the access. Closing that back up, you'll notice that the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. It really is in fantastic condition, especially for a van. We've then got the last alloy wheel just there. And let's head on to the interior next. Now the first thing you're greeted with is this carbon fibre steering wheel, and how fantastic does that look? Really incredible. You've then got the 3 seats, got the half leather with the contrasting red stitching, and again, how great do these seats look? The level of detail is fantastic. Motion R badging in the centres of each. We've even got a fold down area just there. Of course, we can fold up the armrest and we can open these up as well for more storage beneath the double seats on the left hand side there. Now on the doors you've got your power folding wing mirror controls, electric windows, electric window controls, more carbon fibre interior trim. We've got some here on the steering wheel and in the centre console there too. Again, how fantastic does it all look? Unlock and lock button, brush metal handle, integrated speakers, more storage space there. We've also got more speakers on the side at the top there as well. Auto light controls on your right hand side. Now stepping inside the vehicle next, turn the vehicle on. Okay, so foot on the clutch, turn the key, and we are away. Now as you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard there. Here's another quick look at the carbon steering wheel. Really aggressive styling. We've got Motion R badging down there. On the steering wheel you'll find features like cruise control and speed limiter. Coming into the infotainment screen, we've got features like DAB radio, which if we go into audio and sources, you'll notice you've got AM, FM, DAB and Bluetooth audio. Phone connectivity there, as well as mobile apps. With the mobile apps, it's worth noting we've got features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Fantastic features to have on a vehicle. Heading on back, put the vehicle into reverse, and you'll access your visual display of both front and rear parking sensors. Now working our way down, you've then got stereo controls, climate controls just below as well, with heated seats for both outer passengers. We've also got the heated windscreen in the centre there as well. 12 volt connectivity down here with USB beside it. Also worth noting is we've got plenty of storage up at the top here, and you'll even find another USB as well as 12-volt connectivity just there too. One last thing to show off is of course the cup holder just down here as well, very convenient for the driver there. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Transit Custom. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how you would expect. Starting off, we've got both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press the cruise control button, push up onto set, and we're now cruising at our current speed. To deactivate this, I'll simply press the cancel or apply pressure to the brakes, and we're back to normal control. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 5th gear, change up to 6th, 5th, 4th, and into 3rd, back into 4th, and then as we approach the roundabout, down into 3rd and 2nd. And as you can see through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now there are plenty of great features to talk about in here. Of course, on the infotainment screen we've got features like DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity, we've even got our parking sensors which we can see on there as well. And in terms of comfort levels, we've got these incredible looking half leather seats, which do also have 2 heated seats on the outer sides as well. Incredibly comfortable seats, especially for a van, and just really premium feel and look to it as well. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as offering free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. We're a 5-star dealership too. If you look online, we've got over 400 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other car sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We do really want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, or even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now I'm just about to take a right turn ahead into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake, put the vehicle into reverse, and then also drive over a speed bump. So we'll just turn in now. Emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes there, straight into reverse. Again, no problems at all. Of course, we've got the camera, the sensors on the display just there, and our last test is driving over the speed bump. There we go, and as you can hear, completely free from any unwanted knocks or bangs throughout the entire journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. Now this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange, and if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, video walk around or this video test drive, again feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. Now that is all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.